Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to create a fillet, but we're going to create a fillet after we extrude our sketch. So you'll notice up here in the toolbar, the tools look different than if we're in a sketch. And I'll explain this in a second. The first thing we're going to want to do is create, we're just going to create a cube. So I'll start by clicking the sketch. We'll draw this on the front plane. Hit N for normal 2, or you can hit the front view on your view cube. First thing I'm going to do is just create a rectangle. You can create this anywhere. And this is going to be 3 inches. Enter by 3 inches. And you can always dimension after the fact. Okay, I'm going to accept this sketch. So right now we need to click the extrude key or shift E. There's keyboard commands for everything. Click the face I want to extrude, and we're going to extrude this out 2 inches. So we'll change this depth here, 2 inches, and accept that. We can add, so we want to round over the corners here. We can do this now. So what I can do is, up on the toolbars here, you'll have similar tools to the sketch toolbar, but these allow you to edit the extrusion. So if you highlight over, you'll see it says fillet. So I can click this, and what it's going to ask me to do is click on the area that I want to round over. So I'm going to click this corner. I'm going to click all 4 of these corners. So I'm going to have to rotate around while I'm in the command. Click the edges. And it's going to ask you to, you can change the radius. You can change it in this window here. We're going to leave this, if it's at 0.5, you can leave that as such. You can change the radius here. So what if I put it at 1 inch? You can see how it makes changes to your model. But we'll leave this at a 1/2 inch. So you can type in the fraction or just 0.5. I accept that. So I did a feature fillet after I extruded this cube. But I also want to add a fillet around the edges here, around the face. So I'll click the fillet tool again. I can click the entire face. I can click the front of it, and I can click the back of it. Already assumes that I want it to be 0.5. Hit the check button, and we have a cube now with rounded edges. So that's how you can feature. You can do the similar things that you can in a sketch, but you can do it to a already extruded object. So depending on what we're doing, this can be very helpful.